Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. 3,000 candidates. This is too much for a Shiba Inu to take at once. As of March 8, 2023, SHIB News. As the Shiba Inu community waits for this week's beta release of Shiba's Layer 2 scaling solution, Shibarium, the value of meme-based cryptocurrency SHIB is rising. Here are some words from Binance Academy regarding Shiba Inus. Inu Shiba, a Japanese dog breed, inspired the creation of the cryptocurrency known as SHIB. SHIB was developed in 2020 by an unnamed developer named Ryoshi with the intention of serving as a Dogecoin substitute. Shiba Inu 20 tokens are traded on the Ethereum blockchain using a decentralized exchange called Shiba Swap. The Shiba Artist Incubator, an NFT art incubator, is another component of the SHIB roadmap and ecosystem. 10,000 Shiboshi NFTs and a Shiboshi gain for NFTs. The initial supply of Shiba Inu tokens in circulation was 1 quadrillion. To increase liquidity, Ryoshi locked half of the tokens in Uniswap and sent the other half to the co-founder of Ethereum, the purse of Vitalik Buterin. Vitalik, on the other hand, made the decision to burn 90% of the money and give the remaining 10% to charity. We'll speak about 3,000 applications in this video. This is too much for a Shiba Inu to take at once. The SHIB News. If you want to read our most recent articles on Shiba Inu price forecasts and professional analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. SHIB is presently trading at about $0.0125, up 2.245% over the previous 24 hours, according to data from TradingView. Additionally, up 39.75% so far this year. There have been a number of significant listings for SHIB and other tokens in the Shiba Inu ecosystem during the past few weeks. Shibarium, a Layer 2 blockchain created to address the drawbacks of the SHIB token's host chain, Ethereum, primarily low speed and high transaction costs, is set to launch soon, and the community is eagerly anticipating it. The Shibarium team has developed a specific gateway website to aid in the adoption of Shibarium as the Shiba Inu Pro project prepares for the release of Shibarium Beta. According to a blog post by Satoshi Kusama, the development team has developed an intake mechanism that will enable them to identify and assist the best projects in order to support people and organizations interested in building on Shibarium. The system will also assist the team in remaining organized, expanding Shibarium's reach, and re-establishing connections with companies they have worked with in the past. So far, interested parties have submitted almost 3,000 forms. Shibarium's public beta is set to start this week, according to a statement made by the Shiba Inu team yesterday. The public beta for #Shibarium will begin this week, and we couldn't be more excited about it. As we publish all the information on how to access the beta website over the coming days, make sure you're following our official social media. SHIB Hail. Shiba Inu's price dropped 9% in the previous day due to the announcement of Silvergate Bank's bankruptcy and the Federal Reserve's more aggressive stance on future rate hikes at $0.99, which also contributed to the decline. SHIB has likewise lost 30% over the past 30 days and 17% over the past week, bringing its year-to-date gains to 10% as a result of today's losses. SHIB has become one of the most traded coins over the last day throughout this sell-off. It is ranked 14th among the most popular tokens bought today by CoinGecko. The meme token continues to be the cryptocurrency that is most often held in Wales, proving that it is still a favorite with major investors. SHIB could easily stage a recovery in the coming days with the impending introduction of the Layer 2 network Shibarium, and SHIB the metaverse later this year might push it much further in the long run. Shibboleth indicators predict that it won't take long for it to hit bottom and open the door for a significant rebound. Its price has recently fallen below its 30-day and 200-day moving averages, and its relative strength index has just dipped below 30, indicating that it is currently oversold. SHIB is hence arguably selling at a significant discount and ought to climb once more in the not-too-distant future. Of course, it might still be a few weeks before SHIB and the market experience a significant recovery given that the effects of Silvergate's failure are still being felt throughout the sector and the Fed's continued indication that it is more likely to raise interest rates than to cut them. Despite this, SHIB can still be looked at with a lot of optimism. It is still, as previously mentioned, Wales' fourth most popular ERC20 token in terms of dollar volume, trailing only ETH, USDC, and USDT. Additionally, it's currently the 13th most popular ERC20 token in Wales. This demonstrates how confident large investors remain in SHIB's longer-term future, despite its losses. Shibarium's beta launch is rapidly approaching, and it's easy to understand why. As a Layer 2 network, Shibarium will allow for quicker and less expensive transactions for the Shiba Inu ecosystem, which operates on Ethereum and has previously been subject to sporadically high transaction costs. The network beta is expected to go live by the end of this week, and its staff will start accepting registration from wallets. There's a high probability SHIB will experience a bounce once it goes live, though the downturn in the cryptocurrency market as a whole would partly dull it. Shibarium's debut will still assist the Shiba Inu ecosystem in attracting more users by making apps like Shiba Swap more effective, which will ultimately increase SHIB's price. The launch of Layer 2 will also accelerate SHIB burning by reducing transaction fees, which will ultimately drive up the price of the meme coin. The possibility of SHIB the Metaverse, a virtual environment with a Shiba Inu theme that may debut before the end of the year, adds even more hope to the picture. SHIB will be a metaverse with 100,595 land parcels that users may buy, explore, and use just like on any other similar platform. Being used to purchase real estate and other in-game things, SHIB will see an increase in demand, which is particularly optimistic about its launch. Shiba Inus will start to offer more usefulness and a more varied environment, which will help the coin lose its reputation as merely another meme token. As a result, we may anticipate a steady increase in SHIB as the year goes on and the market as a whole begins to recover. According to the most comprehensive statistics from ChangeLay, the average year high projection is $0.154 for 85, which is down from $0.62 for 84 just a week ago. This decline in expectations is a symptom of the market's recent downward trend, although SHIB may be able to outperform this projection if good factors start to emerge. Many SHIB holders continue to aim for $0.10 in the long run, which is unduly optimistic but would not be the first time SHIB saw such a significant gain. Shiba Inu-related cryptocurrencies performed better as the possibility of a larger blockchain universe tied to those tokens became more likely. Shiba Inu is a digital asset that was initially inspired by an internet joke. Shiba Inu is referred to as a meme because it was first published online as a joke. Justin, son of Tron, has helped Shiba Inu's Bone get listed on the Poloniex exchange. The news article states that the wallets for the coin will open on March 9, 2023, at 10 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated, and that full trading will begin at 11 a.m. due to the imminent launch of Shibarium, a Layer 2 scaling protocol for Shiba Inu that will form the foundation of the Shiba Swap ecosystem. Bone was able to obtain several high-profile listings. The SHIB army will be able to vote with Bone, which also serves as the governance token, on subsequent proposals. Additionally, validators and delegators would receive rewards from it. A major cryptocurrency exchange just announced listing the coin for trading, according to TronWeeklyCrypto.com. Additionally, the coin has been listed on a number of prestigious exchanges, including Gate.io, Huobi, and Bitget. Additionally, Bone increased its presence on the Brazilian cryptocurrency asset market Nova DAX. The new listing has not, however, had a substantial impact on the token's price, as the 94th ranked asset is now trading at $1.70, down more than 5% over the last day. The asset's recent slump has wiped out a significant portion of the gains it made last month, when it hit a New Year's high of more over $2 on February 24th. The relatively young token has become one of the top-performing altcoins in the cryptocurrency market despite its price decline. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.